Hello children, I'm a cow. I live on a farm. I eat green grass every day. I give you milk. Milk is good for your health.
Hello friends, I am a bull. I am strong and hardworking. I help the farmer in the fields. I live on the farm.
Hello children, I am a sheep. My body is full of soft wool. My wool is used to make warm clothes. I live happily on the farm. Hello children, I am a buffalo. I like to sit in cool water. I also give milk. I live on the farm.
Hello friends, I am a pig. I love to roll in the mud. I am a farm animal. I live happily on the farm.
Hello children, I am a goat. I eat grass and leaves. I give milk too. I live on the farm with other animals. Hello everyone, I'm a hen. I lay eggs every day. Eggs are healthy and tasty. I live in a small coop on the farm. Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we will learn something new about farm animals. This is a cow. A cow gives us milk. We drink milk every day and it makes our bones and body strong. This is a bull. A bull helps the farmer to work in the fields. It is very powerful and hardworking. This is a sheep. A sheep has soft wool on its body. This wool is used to make sweaters and warm clothes for us. This is a hen. A hen lays eggs. Eggs are healthy and give us energy. Hens live in a small coop on the farm. This is a buffalo. A buffalo also gives us milk. It likes to sit in water to keep cool, especially in summer. Children, this is a pig. A pig lives on the farm and likes to play in the mud. This is a goat. A goat eats grass and leaves and also gives us milk. Goat lives on the farm. Very good children, today we learned about farm animals.
Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. He followed her to school one day, which was against the rule. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. So the teacher turned him out, but still he lingered near and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Hello friends, I am a sheep. Welcome to my farm. I am soft, gentle, and friendly.
Hello friends, I am a ram, strong and brave. I have curved horns on my head. I protect my family and love walking in the farm.
Hello friends, I am a lamb. I am the baby of the sheep family.
This is our sheep pen. It is our home on the farm. Here we rest safely after eating grass all day. We stay together as a happy family.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about the sheep family. Look at the picture carefully. This is a sheep. A sheep is a farm animal and it is usually white in color. Children, look, this male sheep is called a ram. A ram is usually stronger and has curved horns. Children, look, the baby sheep is called a lamb. A lamb is small, cute, and very playful. Sheep live in a sheep pen or fold on the farm. The farmer takes care of them and gives them food and shelter. So children, today we learnt about sheep, ram, lamb, and their home. Bye children, see you in the next session.
Hello friends, I am a hen. I live on a farm and I love to cluck all day. Cluck cluck!
Good morning, everyone. I am the cock. I wake up the whole farm with my loud crowing. Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Hello friends, we are chickens. We are the young ones of the hen. We love to run and peck at grains.
This is my home. It is called a coop. Here I lay eggs and keep my babies safe.
Hi, everyone. I am a buck. I am the male goat, and I have strong horns.
Hello friends, I am a doe. I am a female goat, and I love to eat fresh green grass. Hello friends, I am a kid. I am the young one of the goat family. I love to jump and play all day.
This is our home. It is called a shelter. Here we rest and stay safe.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about two important farm animal families, the hen family and the goat family. First, let us talk about the hen family. A hen is a farm bird that lives on a farm and gives us eggs. The young one of a hen is called a chicken or chick. Chicks are small, soft and very active. The male hen is called a cock. The cock wakes up early in the morning and crows loudly. A hen is also female. The hen and her family live in a small house called a coop. The coop keeps them safe. Now let us learn about the goat family. A female goat is called a doe. They live in farm. Children, the male goat is called a buck. A buck is usually bigger and has strong horns. Children, the young one of a goat is called a kid. A kid loves to jump and play. Goats live in a shelter on the farm. From goats we get milk and sometimes meat. Today we learned about the hen family and the goat family. Bye children, see you in the next session.
Hello friends, I am number 24. I come after 23 while we count the numbers. Children, look! We are 24 stars. Now you can see us in the sky at night.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn a new number and that number is 24. Number 24 comes just after 23 and just before 25. In counting, every number has its own special place and 24 stands proudly between these two numbers. Now let us count the stars together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 4. Very good children. Keep practicing counting and writing 24 at home. Bye-bye. See you in the next session.
Hello children, I am the letter M. Today you are going to learn about me and the things that start with me. I make the sound like humming. Let us meet my friends.
Hello everyone, I am a man. M is for man. I like walking in the park and enjoying fresh air. My word starts with the letter M.
Hello friends, I am a mountain. M is for mountain. I am tall and strong, and sometimes I wear snow on my top. Climbers love to explore me. Hello kids, I am a mat. M is for mat. People wipe their feet on me to keep the house clean. I stay near the door and help everyone.
Hi children, I am a magnet. M is for magnet. I can pull metal things toward me. It feels like magic, but it is called magnetism.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn a new letter M. Look at the page carefully. Look at this picture. This is a man. A man is a male person. He can work, walk and help others. See this big picture. This is a mountain. M is for mountain. A mountain is very tall and strong and sometimes it has snow on top. Now look at this object. This is a mat. M is for mat. A mat is kept on the floor near the door. We wipe our feet on the mat to keep the house clean. Look at this. This is a magnet. M is for magnet. A magnet can pull small metal objects toward itself. Very good children. Today we learn the letter M and the words man, mat, mountain and magnet. Keep practicing. Bye children. See you in the next class.
Hello children, I am number 25. I am big and bold on your page. Today you are going to learn all about me. I come after 24 while we counting numbers.
Hello children, we are oranges. We are juicy and sweet. Look and try to count the oranges with the help of your teachers, children.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn a new number. Look carefully at the page and tell me which number you see. Yes, it is 25. This is number 25. We write it as 2 and 5 together. 25 comes after 24 and before 26. Look, oranges. Orange is a fruit. It's sweet and juicy. Now children, start count 1 to 25 one by one. Children, very good. These are 25 oranges on the page. Very good children. Numbers are like steps on a ladder and today you have climbed one more step. Keep practicing counting and writing 25. Bye bye. See you in the next session.